Just a quick resource I've made to show how students will benefit from seeing how sections of cones work in their study for structural forms. The students will be able to investigate how each shape, such as an ellipse, parabola and hyperbola, are made using sections of cones, and they should be able to rationalize this and understand how these shapes are made before studying structural forms and moving on to more complex shapes such as the hyperboloid of revolution and good construction of such shapes. So it's just a simple resource of revolved cone and 3 different cutting planes introduced. You could do it in different ways to show the cutting planes at the same time, but I've done it this way because I think it's easier and better for the students to see how each is made and then go back to the original cutting plane or the original shape without seeing all cutting planes in one go. So if we just move the line down there and just get face onto the cone, you can see that it is a perpendicular line to the baseline of the cone, and the cutting plane cuts straight through perpendicular to the baseline, and you can just revolve the cone around in and normal 2 to that surface, and it shows the student the hyperbola as a section of the cone. This will just help them understand how the cone is formed. It doesn't really help with construction too much, but you could add in lines across to get the widths and project them down to a different planned in view for the students to work or get more out of this model and resource and get the sections of the cone and combine it with orthographic projection to show how constructions of hyperbolas are formed. Now the next thing to do, I feel, is best to move that up there and just walk through the errors in the model and use a rollback function then, and you can create your original cone again with another cutting plane through it. And it's good to kind of start from scratch and then show the students how the cone is made, and then move on to rolling it forward to see the new shape, and students will just see that it's a straight line cutting through both sides of the cone, and you can revolve it again and normal 2 to the top surface to show the students how an ellipse is formed. And the same is done then for the last, which is a parabola. So move that up to the top and use the rollback function to go back to the start with just a plain cone, and then roll it forward so the students will see the difference. Now it might be good to introduce different colours to this, and especially for showing true shape, it's good to see it as a normal 2 or side view of the cone, and then click on the cut surface and do normal 2 to show the true shape of the cone. So it's also reminding students of the true shape and how that affects the shape of the cutting surface, such as the ellipse, parabola and hyperbola.